Hello, in front of me I've got Razer Kraken X for console. In this video I'll show you how to set up surround sound for your headphones. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are connected with the PC via jack. And now download 7.1 surround sound app from the Razer website. Now once you've downloaded, install it and then open it. Now you have to log in or sign up. You can't continue as Quest because now we have to prepare this card, which was included in original package of your headphones. Take a look right here. Behind this gray paint we have to scrape it off. There is a special code we're going to use to unlock this function for our headphones. So log to your Razer account and use the code here to activate spatial sound for your headphones. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.